The Razor tool in Premiere Pro is a tool that will allow you to make cuts to the audio and video portions of a clip in a timeline. You can activate the Razor tool by pressing the keyboard shortcut C, and this shortcut works for both Mac and Windows computer. Go to the section of the clip that you want to cut and simply click on it to make your cut. As you can see, this will only cut the piece of the clip that you click on. To make a cut to all the video and audio portions of the clip, hold Shift while using the Razor tool to cut through all of your clips. Another option to make cuts in your timeline is using the Add Edit function. This will only make a cut to the tracks you have selected wherever your playhead is in the timeline. Press Command K on a Mac or Control K on the Windows computer to use the Add Edit function, and this will make a cut through all of the tracks that you have selected in a timeline. So if I have V2 turned off, it will not make a cut to it. To make a cut to all the tracks in the timeline, press Shift Command K on a Mac or Shift Control K on a Windows computer to add edit to all the tracks in the timeline. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.